Denga di 13 edição de série investigativo para pensão solvente, nosso reportero de Team G5 usando waiver lo enfocari by banda de medalha de Câmara de Comércio ribe fenomeno de AOV. Denga edição anterior a enfocari by medida não tomada em passado para salvaguardiar o fundo de AOV e com efetivo essa que resultado está.
Câmara de Comércio é representante de comércio da comunidade e é a primeira organização envolvida em estabelecimento de um negócio novo. Câmara de Comércio forma parte do diálogo social e está grêmio com a própria opinião sobre o fundo de AOV. Anteriormente, o fundo de AOV tem três possíveis soluções. Esta aumentar a idade de pensão, 2, aumentar a prima e 3, aumentar o salário máximo. Assim, na mesa com o presidente saliente da Câmara de Comércio, para estar na altura, qual de três opções a Câmara de Comércio está favorecer?
The most effective and the least painful is raising the age. If you raise the premium, you're just penalizing, again, a lot of people who are already paying a hefty premium. Totally, we're paying 29% premium in Aruba. That is AOV, AZV, and SVB. Take those, it's 29. It's already hefty. If you're going to raise it, it will even not solve the issue. Because you need to have another whopping 100 million in due course per year extra. You will not be able to get that. And what are you doing is just only kicking the can down the road, because at the end there will be other deficits also, and the government is running their own deficit. You will not be able to pay it. And you cannot, and none of the systems in the world will be able to sustain for 18 or 20 years paying somebody out those amount of AOV. So what are the options? The easiest is raise the age. In that sense, everyone has to work at 65.
Actualmente, a opção para a idade de pensão gradualmente está agora proponer como solução socialmente aceitável e financeiramente factível. A Câmara de Comércio tem sua própria observação sobre a possível solução.
If you had raised it in those period like 5-6 years ago, the previous, not the past government, but the previous government didn't want to raise it. The past government didn't want to raise. In that way, we have lost the window for gradually raising the age. Because if you could have raised it gradually, you could have chosen 10 years and every year 6 months. It would not be painful to people. But now we come to a point where it is a do or die. If you want to save the AOV, you have to raise the age. It is not a choice anymore. If people who says, yeah, but I don't want to work that long, then you can say, it's fine, you don't work that long, but there is no money to pay you. So it is becoming a very simple option. If you want to keep the AOV as we know, then you have to raise the age, because it will be otherwise unaffordable, simply unaffordable, because you have a lot of people going into AOV, and there is not enough of people working and paying for that amount, because the AOV system is actually what in Dutch they say omslagsysteem, is you pay as you go actually. So the people who was working are paying for the AOV.
Segundo a Câmara de Comércio, a única opção para a idade de pensão. Ademais, a Câmara de Comércio está para forte atrás que aumento de idade de pensão, mas é uma opção brindar na comunidade e não uma obrigação.
If you want to leave earlier, you make it allow people to leave earlier. You will get discount. Now you have the flex pension, you get 7% extra. If you work longer, it will become the other way around. If you leave earlier than 65, you get discount. And period. That's it. And you can start getting at 60, then you can calculate 62 or 63, whatever age you want to leave, you can leave. But your AOV will be calculated based on age of 65 years. That is the easiest way. You leave people the choice of they want to work or not, but you do not penalize the whole group of people.
Câmara de Comércio está recomendando algum ponto para facilitar a pessoa que chega aos 60 anos e deseja de seguir trabalhando.
Currently, if you have people working older than 60 for you, you don't have to pay their AOV pensions anymore, premiums anymore. So that's at least 13 point something combined, what the employer and employee pay. So those you don't have to pay. I think in the future that's not sustainable. But what we should do is if we're gonna go to 65, we should be smart. The things what you have to do is that some of the jobs people are doing is very hard. You cannot expect them to work until under 65. The people who's working on the street and all those. There are jobs which you could reasonably expect people to, let's say, worn out. Very impolite word, but just to say it as it is, they're worn out. Those jobs, you have to create kind of mobility for people to have a more easier job in those age. How much security companies we don't have, where people can sit and have a bit more easy job and still you can function instead of taking younger generation people.
Antes frequentemente gente tanto usa il dicho bieuta caminda. E dal punto di vista aqui, me se realizar ora uma pessoa de uma idade alta ainda está disposto para trás de um certo tipo de trabalho e por ter hobby e experiência valiosa para a geração nova. Para realizar o aumento de idade, a adaptação mesmo toma lugar na lei laboral protegendo a pessoa trabalhando a liberdade de 60 anos.
The government should make it easier. We should have like somewhere in still allow that those people do not pay the premium. We can avoid charging them still for our pay while they have to work until the 65. So a bit more creative and things that we can keep them at work, make it attractive to companies, certain type of companies to work, that they can work. They can still drive taxis, they can still drive buses. You have to make them laws that on certain ages you cannot do some of the jobs because those should be reserved for, it's becoming easier jobs, those should be reserved for people of older age, so it's a kind of bit more easy job.
Para Notícia à Noite, Rosane de Wever.
Queda pendiente para próxima edição de série investigativo para pensão solvente na onde nos lo conta turcos maneira mesterta ribe solução a proponer para dar uma vida back na fundo de AUV.